Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable partnership K-1 tax prep with Intuit ProConnect, full guide step by step clearly. To enable partnership K-1 tax preparation with Intuit ProConnect, you first need to log in to your Intuit ProConnect account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings option in the main menu. Click on settings to open the settings page. Look for tax settings in the left-hand sidebar. Select tax settings to access the tax preparation options. Find the section labeled Partnership K-1. Click on the Partnership K-1 option to enable it. Review the details provided about K-1 tax preparation. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the partnership settings. You may need to enter partnership information such as the business name and EIN. Complete any additional required fields related to the partnership. Once all required information is entered, click Save. Navigate back to your dashboard to access the K-1 tax forms. Select the appropriate tax year for preparation. Open the partnership return you wish to work on. Locate the K-1 section for each partner in the return. Begin entering the relevant data for each partner's K-1. Ensure you double-check all entered information for accuracy. After completing the K-1 forms, review the entire partnership return. Once everything is confirmed as correct, proceed to file the return. You have now successfully enabled and prepared partnership K-1 tax forms using Intuit ProConnect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.